Well, good day again, guys. Today, giving the old digger a service, Kobelco SK17SR. It's just under 500 hours, so we're going to give it the 500-hour service, including the hydraulic filter. Yeah, let's get into it. I don't know about you guys, but I like working on clean stuff, so just going to give it the old Kobelco treatment. Bit of a spray. I actually do this every time I service it. It's so much nicer to work on clean stuff. Alrighty, so yeah, as I said before, 500-hour service, so we're obviously going to be doing the oil and filter. Oil filter's down there. Fuel filter, which is there. There's a little screen in like the water separator. Giving that a clean out. If I haven't got a new one, I might, who knows. Air filter, and the hydraulic filter, which is that one, so I don't believe that's been changed yet because I think they only do them at the 500-hour service, so we'll be doing that, and obviously just a general grease and all the rest of it. Right, the first thing we'll do is drop the oil. I don't know if you noticed, I parked on a slight bit of a turn, bit of a slew. There is method to my madness. If we go under here, that's where our oil drain is. On right there. So if you're straight, you know, it's going to be over here close to all of this stuff, so I'll give it a bit of a slew and get it out of the way so it can just fall straight into the pan. There is another drain plug here. That one's for your hydraulic oil, so try not to get the two mixed up. Engine oil, hydraulic oil. I mean, with that side cover off around there anyway, you can work out what's what, but yeah, might as well drop that and get that draining. Good to throw that one out. filter off now. I'm yet to actually master. Oh, I'll try not to over tighten them so I can get them with my hand, but as I was saying, I'm yet to master getting these off without spilling any oil. So we're still catching it. Here's what we were using today. Did have a screen filter in the end, so it's a genuine Kobelco one. There's a little guy. There's a part number if you're interested. We got your normal fuel filter. There's a part number, Donaldson filter. It's just a little baby one too. Fuel filter. Oil filter. Alright, part number 502067. Again, Donaldson. There they go, little baby. It's a hydraulic filter. There's the outer air filter. Part number wasn't on the box, so it's up here on the actual filter. P822686. It's a Donaldson item again. Not sure if we'll change that yet. Might just be blowing it out. I do keep on top of my air filters, so might just need to blow it. But and there's our oil. Good old Truck Plus. Always put a bit of a smear of oil on your rubber of the oil filter, guys. If you don't, it can get caught up as you're screwing it on and damage it. Just want it to spin nice as you're screwing it on. I think my funnel's big enough. Just be mindful, it's only a little tiny motor, so I think they're only a couple of litres from memory. So I don't want to go too crazy with the oil. We're about halfway. Alrighty. We're at the full mark. I just want to run the motor quickly and get that oil pumped around the oil filter. Then we can get our proper level. Alright, we're about 5 mil under the full, so let's put a little nip in and that should be perfect. Air filter. Oh, it's pretty dusty. That'll come good with a blowout, but we'll have a look. As you can see, the safety filter, or the inner you call them, that's still beautiful, clean. So the filter's doing its job. You know what, for the price of filters, it's just getting the new one. Why do I even bother? It is the 500-hour service after all, so. Get these fuel filters off now. Close that cup first. There's a bit of rubbish in the bottom of the screen filter one, but definitely not too bad. A little bit of junk in there. I might try cleaning that with brake cleaner and see how good that comes up. Bit of brake cleaner and it's come up like new, so I'm going to reuse that one. Like it's just a fine mesh anyway, so it's not like it's a paper element filter, which you definitely need to change, so happy with that. Now we'll just turn the ignition on a few times to get that electric fuel pump going, and that should fill the bowl. Let's get this hydraulic filter off. I think it's going to be a bit tight coming down there, so I'm going to just undo these two little Allen key screws here and drop that down. Turn the flow off. That didn't really do a whole lot. Kind of hoping that would give us, a little bit. There we go. Alrighty. A filter that's not in a crazy direct spot, still a pain in the butt. Is that gonna drip down? A bit of the old oil on it. Alright, filter's on. Topped her up just a touch because I've been using a few attachments and stuff, and you know, for the filter oil and all that. Did that. I just want to check the radiator. I know you checked in the, you know, you can see the overflow, still good, but just want to actually check the cap. Had a bolt there, and have a look what's going on in there. Yep, beautiful. Alright, I'm gonna take it back out and give it another degreasing wash, because obviously all the oil everywhere, and then we'll give her a bit of a grease up. I just gave it another hose off to get all the oil off and stuff. I just like getting the old CRC onto it. Keeps everything nice. Some people say, you know, the dust sticks to it and all the rest of it, but you know what, when you wash it, it's 10 times easier to get off when you put CRC on than just having stuff stuck to other, you know, bits of metal and all the rest of it. Just like a new one. There you go guys, all greased, ready to go. If your tracks are a bit loose, which mine aren't because I've done it recently, that's where you get to the adjuster in there. So you just undo that one, flip it around, and there's a grease nipple in there. Pump it up with grease, and that'll expand your adjuster and tighten your track up. So before you do that, you want to put your blade down, and obviously I haven't got a bucket on, I've got the grinder on, but the stump planer. Bucket down, one side, lift that edge up, blade down, lift that edge up so your track's off the ground. And then you can see your correct tightness. Yeah, let's put these covers back on. Well, I'm gonna call that done, guys. $500 service. All done. Thanks for watching guys, appreciate it. Have a good one.